Hello everyone, let's see how we can create a quiz in Google Classroom. So first of all, we have to go to the classroom. So type classroom.google.com and you will be taken to the classroom that you have already created. As we can see that I have created this classroom of data structures, and in this classroom many students have joined. So as we can see that we are in the classroom. Now we have to create a quiz. So click on the classwork. Now click on create and create an quiz assignment. In this, it already gives you a blank quiz form. Type the title of the assignment or the quiz. For example, I am typing this data structures 2 quiz 2. Write the instructions if any, like the quiz is of 30 marks, or we can say that the quiz consists of 15 questions of 2 marks each, and all questions are compulsory. This gives a brief information about the quiz. You should also add the time of the quiz. The quiz will be of 30 minutes only. So it is not yet posted, but we can edit the quiz form. When we click this blank quiz button, a new quiz will be opened in Google Forms, and here we can write our questions. For example, number of children in a 5-order B tree is option 1 4 5 6 7. So here we can set this question and also put the answer key in the question paper itself. Like the order 5B tree has 5 children and 4 keys, so the correct answer is 5. I have put it as the correct answer and marked the question as with 2 points, and now I will just click done. This answer key will be saved in the question itself, and now here we can rename the quiz as data structure quiz 2, and here we can give a short description like we already did in the assignment. Put the same in this, and one more thing, you can add this form limiter from add-on to set the time limit of the form. To add this add-on, you have to just search in the add-on field, type form limiter, and you can add this add-on to the Google Forms. Now I can set the date and time of expiry of this form. After that, it will stop receiving responses automatically. Like if I set the exam on 4 May and at time 11 am, and when I set this time, it will automatically stop accepting responses after this fixed time, and this message will be given to the students when they try to submit or try to open this link. So this will give option to automatically close the form and give a fixed time for the students to access it. Now you just have to edit the quiz, save it, and then come back to this assignment page and click assign. When you are ready, then click assign. If I have set the time of next day, so or maybe day after tomorrow, then I have to assign this assignment just before half an hour or 1 hour. If the duration is of 1 hour, then just post this assignment at the right time so that the students can log in and check the form, do it in fixed time duration.